guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. I very much appreciate it. Today's video, guys, is going to be a tag video from the Lady B. Thank you, Lady B, for doing that. If you have not subscribed to her channel or gone over to see what her channel's about, please go ahead and do that. So this video, guys, is called I Love You the Most Bag Tag. So I wanted to share this bag with you. That means a lot to me. My mother really loved it a lot. She was not into big name brand items. She wasn't into anything that had any type of name attached to it. She wasn't into luxury. She was into very simple, very classic things. So you guys, I wanted to share this with you. We picked this up, my brother and I, shortly before she had passed away. We did not know she was going to pass away. She kept it to herself. Unfortunately, she passed away of lung cancer. She was already battling her whole life of lupus. So that was a struggle in itself. She used to be the captain of her basketball team in school. She loves sports, any type of sports. The only thing she did not like was golf. But everybody would come over when it was hockey night or, you know, any type of sports, football, baseball, you name it. She could tell you anything about that sport. Even ex-husbands, boyfriends, whoever it was, even my son's friends, everybody loved to be around her and talk about sports. So I thought maybe I would share this bag with you since I was tagged by the Lady B. Any of my bags in my collection, they don't mean as much as this bag does to me because my mom carried it. It was nothing fancy, but she really loved it. When she received it, she was so happy that I can't even tell you, just over a simple little bag that, you know, did not have a lot of monetary value, but it means a lot to me. And I'm so grateful that I have it. If unfortunately something happened where I had to take bags, I would take this one because any of the other bags in my collection, as you can see, can most definitely be replaced. This one cannot. Gone 11 years. That just passed November the 24th. So I thought I would share it with you guys. If you're interested in seeing what it's all about, keep on watching. This is a bag I wanted to share with you. First, I want to start off with the wallet. And it's something from Guess, and it is in this bronze leather with the big G there on the front. A zip pocket on the back. Go ahead and open it up. She really liked it a lot. She loved the color. Her favorite color was purple. Looks like she still has something left in there. So you can see it's got multiple card slots. It's also got this large pocket here in the back. Also one down here with all the monogram G's on it. So that's the first item, guys, I wanted to share with you. This is what she was so proud to carry around, guys. And it is also something from Guess. And it is this bag with all the monogram G's all over it, with the same bronze leather, the same silver large hardware. No feet on this bag. She loved it because it reminded her of a LV Speedy. So there's the front of it, guys, with the big plate that says Guess on it. And she loved anything that was bling. It does have these really thick, wide straps, which she really liked as well. Large zipper, still runs smoothly. So let's take a look inside, guys. So the lining is all in this zebra print, like a satin type lining here, with one very large zip pocket. And you can see the little hang tag here, the big G. Let's go ahead and flip it around. Then it had here on this side three of these individual pockets. 2 small ones and 1 larger one. Large opening to fit a lot of things in there. That's why she loved it. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. I'm not quite sure. I think this bag is maybe 12, going on a little over 12 years, and it's still in excellent, excellent condition. So guys, I thought I'd share that with you because that bag means a lot to me, more than anything else in my collection. Like I said, it can never be replaced. So guys, if you're having an issue with a family member, especially your mother, your father, your parent, your siblings, my advice is, guys, when they're gone, they're gone. So hold on tight, appreciate them, show them respect, phone them every day to tell them that you love them, to check on them, because you know, guys, all the fighting in the world is not worth it, because if you're still fighting and they've passed, God forbid, you will never get the opportunity to make up with them, to make a memory and be happy. So guys, that's my little bit of advice on parents, mothering, families, so on and so forth, that just, you know, put away all your differences and just love your family for what they are, for all their faults, because you know what? We're not perfect. We all make mistakes. So remember, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it. Till next time, take care, guys, and stay safe. Bye-bye.